How to make an account and log in Melon Playground. Now in this video, I'll show you how to log in and create an account on Melon Playground. Before you access the application, make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the app so you will not encounter any issues. Now first, if you pull up Melon Playground, this is going to be your dashboard. If you go ahead and tap on Store, you should be able to see these options. Login option is located at the upper right portion of your screen. Tap on Login. Now, if you have an existing account, this is where you can log in. However, if you would like to create a new account, um, account registration here is actually quite complex. But what you can do to create another account is just to use a different Gmail, which is located right side at the option here that says login with. You can try to use on the register option, and you can use another email, password, confirm password, and use login so that you can complete the whole process. And that's it. That's how you make a new account and log in Melon Playground.